Jesus Christ. After me hear some no want no bad news today. Alright, may I put on some clothes and gas station? Jano. Jano, you know how long me there so wait for a taxi. Cause the boy a nah here no. Him nah here. Look how him dey now jail. Look how him dey now start jail. Him nah here. Judge see one him. Good morning, officer. I can talk to my brother, please. I tell him to stay away from the handcuff. Tingling, yeah, police. I'm glad you know. And I made them send to lock up your brother. Cause him nah here. The man nah here. Day and day, I tell the one the man here. And he come like say man just no intent for here. I don't know why. I'm work me I do still. I know your brother but I'm work me I do still see. Journal star, but can't feel no way. I work hard with alright fam. I'm glad you understand. You so get for see me zine. Just give me some time. So Chapaling is here to see him brother. So me I gonna make him see man and when me can know what is what. And him care some things also for him. So me I make him see him. Run nice. Okay, Mr. Tingling, nothing wrong with that. You just make him know what is what and thing. You can make him see, man. No problem. Come on, around the same day, Zine. Forward. Me a forward. We are my twin brother, but this is last time I support you and your bad behavior. Yeah, me carry some things here, so them will make you get it. Thanks, bro. You know your best friend them send for lock me up, but my understand still I'm working, mother. And me in a same shirt. Yeah, man, me in a same shirt. Me wonder how that. But I true me a twin same way. So the time up when me for come check you. So they might make you get a thing. Them as well me say. So make sure you behave yourself. And when you reach a court, make sure say you convince. Is it? Yeah. Make sure say you tell them say I you never know certain things. Make sure you tell them everything. So nobody go in a courthouse go tell a lie. You see, convince to them and so the sentence so them plan for you. It would have be lesser than that is in. So make sure you convince. Half no say 40. Respect again. You have to show up with them. Can't believe what really are going. You have to really show up with them. I wonder who this will call me now. Wagwan. Bro, I have to make it fast. And then know say me and the cell like same time. Me hear that the boy brother come up here and I make him know send for converse. That I one chaplain, yeah. The man come up here, tell him brother for confess. Like so I don't know what I go on you know. So it's either one of you was send for him or something. You see, I don't know what I go really go on but Make me know differently what I go on. You see. Oh, you know, no time for talk. Oh, where I say? Chaplain come up there, come tell him brother for testify. Alright, no say nothing. No say nothing. Fam. Man them. Passengers, we go wait for go feed man. We are go feed man and dirty. And I know the thing go. And I know the thing go out. Yeah man, they are flooring man, ready. Just give we go ahead. Yeah man, boss, a long time in the cut up thing. Give we go ahead man. Yeah man, we no go dirty. I make sure say we no come back with no evidence. Alright, bossy crime. Where you come from? Tell your brother to testify on the done. You're a madman. After me no know about who na my brother. No, 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 no. I dream my brother and tell him say, no, I'm mad next.